Jatayu Earths known as the first major boat tourism in Kerala. Jatayu Earths Centre is the first joint effort by the Tourism Department of Kerala and Mr. Rajiv Anchal along with private equity holders to create a destination. Which is a unique combination of all aspects of tourism and offers a complete Kerala, God's own country experience to every tourist. The concept is the brainchild of renowned film director, art director and sculptor Mr. Rajiv Anchal, and his team took 10 years to meticulously design and complete this monumental project. Gaira Chandrika Builders and Property Private Limited have leased the government-owned land for 30 years to build and operate Jatayu Earths Centre. Jatayu Earths Centre that hosts the world's largest bird sculpture. Spanning over 65 acres across 4 hills, this is the state's first ever bought, build, operate, transfer, tourism. The monumental statue of Jatayu resting high up the hill catches your attention even from afar on your way to Chadayamangalam in Kollam district. Jatayu is a legendary bird from the Indian epic Ramayana. You can reach the hilltop using a cable car. A multitude of experiences await the traveler in Jatayu Rock. One such is the museum and the 6D theatre inside the sculpture. You can even have a hell taxi experience from here. Visiting hours 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Contact details: Jatayu Earths Centre, Chadayamangalam, Kollam, Kerala 691534. Phone +914742477077. Mobile +919072588713, +919072044444. Email: inquiry@jatayuthcentre.com. Getting there. Chadayamangalam is located on MC Road, connecting Angamali in Ernakulam district and Kusavadasapuram in Thiruvananthapuram district. Buses are available from major bus stations in the state. Nearest airport, Trivandrum International Airport, is about 52 kilometers. Nearest railway stations, Kollam Junction, about 35 kilometers, and Thiruvananthapuram Central, about 55 kilometers. Book your stay at nearest hotels. Mangalath Hotel, 950 meters, Rs. 1,300 and above per night. Neela Palace, Rs. 3,000 and above per night.